Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a digital signature with your own image or logo using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF form. Now select this form option and here you will find the signature icon. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your signature box. Now press right button and select properties dialog box and go appearance option. Here you can change a signature color. I'll use this color. Now select close as a hand option. Now click on this signature box and properties dialog box now open and click on this sign as down arrow and select a new ID. You finish and release and select a new digital ID want to create, or if you have existing ID you can input it and select this one and select next and type here your signature name, type unit and organization name and type your email. Now select next and create your password. Now select finish. Now click on this create option and its logo and this Foxit version and this configure logo. Select browse and open your logo or your own image and tick mark here and see this logo now showing here. And also you can add here hand drawing signature if you want. Also you can add image here and so on. I'll not add this one, only I'll show you logo and image. Also you can add browse this one and see this. Now select OK and retype your password and select sign. Save and see this our digital signature now created and this background logo, this one and this one front image. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.